Shower unit parts should include nylon carry case, yellow PVC pad, ZYTRON 500 catch basin, one shower wand, one shower extension holder, 4 side supports, 3 end caps, and 4 corner supports. Place the protective yellow PVC pad onto the flat assembly surface. Place the ZYTRON 500 shower basin atop the PVC pad. Place the 4 long side supports into the side openings of the shower basin before attaching each corner support. Attach the shower wand and shower extension holder. Lower to appropriate height. Decon curtain unit parts should include nylon carry case, ZYTRON 500 curtains, 1 door attachment for shower wand pole with closure piece at end, 3 corner poles, 2 side support bars, 2 over the door support bars, and 2 door corner joints. Begin curtain assembly with shower basin assembled as shown in the previous instructions. Remove the 3 corner support caps from the shower basin. Place the 3 corner poles on the open corners. Remove the shower wand and the shower pole extension. Attach corner joint end to the side support with door assembly to the adjacent left corner pole. Standing outside the shower, make sure the shower pole is to your right and insert 1 door corner joint in the left-hand pole. After inserting corner poles, slide side supports down over corner poles. Place the support bars over the door bars before folding ZYTRON 500 curtains over each side. Decon wand should be to the right corner. Place the curtain, orange side out, over the framework beginning at one door and working around the side extension. Repeat for the second curtain. Make sure the curtain openings are in line with your door opening. To complete shower curtain assembly, tuck bottom edges of curtain inside the basin and reattach the shower wand.